In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a Hubstaff account. This is useful if you are joining a team, tracking work hours, or managing projects. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to the official website of hubstaff.com, which is hubstaff.com. Here, as you may notice, it offers an option for you to create an account by entering your work email. Or if you want, you can click the free 14-day trial, which will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is super simple: provide all the information needed, agree to the terms and conditions, and follow the on-screen instructions. What will happen is Hubstaff will send a confirmation email, and all I have to do is click the confirm account. And then you will be forwarded to the first page, which is creating an organization. I want you to click the blue button, okay? And then if you have a website, you can enter that here, which is optional. And you can, of course, answer all these. How big is your team? We are a YouTube channel, so we are around here. Click the next button. And then you can be honest on your goals here in Hubstaff. Monitor employees, manage schedules, track productivity, or for now, I'm going to choose the just exploring. Click the next button. Now you will be asked on what method or platform you want your team to be tracked. Is it going to be like a desktop app, all platforms, or silent app? I'm just going to click the second option, click the next button. And then, of course, if you want to add your client, your team member, your supervisor, manager, you can do so. But for now, we're going to click the finish button. And of course, here you need to choose the right plan for your team. Okay, you can go for the starter, which is $4. Grow is around $7. Team is $10. And the enterprise is $25, which gives you all these features and benefits. But if you are unsure, just scroll down until you find pick a plan later, and you will be forwarded to the main homepage. And basically, that's it on how to create a Hubstaff account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.